Well, every Welsh village must have a chapel, and if you have a chapel, you have to have a chapel house. So they told me. I'm quite pleased with it. It's a nice little model, though I'm not sure about the railway now. And there's a little terrace over there with a lady on the way to the shops. I've extended the road a little bit from the village up to the level crossing there. And the forest has grown a little bit. Only trouble with doing all this is the whole setup can't decide whether it's a garden railway or a model village. Still a few things I want to do. That's plinth there, concrete plinth there. Is going to be the office or whatever for the engine house, for the pump house. It's coming together slowly. Garden village, model railway, who knows, but I'm having fun doing it. I forgot to put the pump in place before I took the video. Hey ho, better late than never. There we go, I had to get a few views of it. I rather like that little pump. It adds, I think it adds to the whole thing. The whole pump, village, all the rest of it, even up to the harbour there. I think it gives the railway a reason for being. There's my owl lurking in the apple tree. Always on guard duty. Oh, I've had no great whites in the pond. Oh, vultures on the track since he's been there. So he must be doing his duty, lurking there. Well, there's my little pump house office in place. I think it looks alright, but what a bugger to put together. A different supplier, kit supplier, what I usually use, and it was, shall we say, awkward, not difficult, just awkward. But the detail in it is quite good. drain pipes and all. And I think it adds a bit of realism and depth to the whole layout. Reason for being there, I suppose. And it was my birthday treat, which I was 78 2 days ago, so it's not bad for an old one. And now to test my track, see if everything's working fine and everything's free, no obstructions. I'm using my trusty Marmot Bolton, of course. Don't normally like Marmots, but that is quite a machine. Wait for the signals to change. Right, signals change, so off we go. All seems to be going smooth enough. Behind the village. Past the level crossing. Over the bridge. And it even goes backwards. And to the station. Everything's working fine. Well, everything seems to have survived last winter fine. It's awkward to do this, holding the camera in one hand and the speed controls in the other, but there you go. And back into the harbour to test the rest of the track. Well, that's it for the test. That coal wagon was a little bit of weight, ballast weight put on it. It is a bit more stable, but it's not bad. Just stumbled a bit there. My 70th birthday a couple of days back. So, yeah, okay, I do stumble a bit. I seem to be working alright. Right, test complete.